Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to look at a helpful tool in Salesforce Commerce Cloud called URL Request Analyzer. This measure where you can find URL Request Analyzer. So for that, you just need to navigate Merchant Tools. Under the Merchant tool, just navigate to SEO module. Under the SEO module, you can find URL Request Analyzer. So just click on it. The URL request analyzer help you to understand how incoming URL requests are processed inside the SFCC, which site is matched, which controller or pipeline is triggered, and whether the request was redirect or served directly. Let's talk about the first term, host. The host is simply the domain name that's being now. Let's look at redirect. A redirect when the system takes the original URL and send the user to another URL, usually using a 301 or 302 status. Redirect can happen due to manually URL redirect, rule set in Business Manager, language or local resolution, HTTP enforcement, or even trailing slash normalization. For example, if slash home is redirect to /en/us/homepage. The URL request analyzer will show the redirect with a status like 302 form. Let's take a quick look at the tools. So once you click on the plus icon, you can see the entire information about the host, which site map it is, which local mapping it is, which process controller they are. Currently they're entering search queue. So it's all about host. Once you are done, then you can click on the cancel button so it will remove your request. Now again copy the URL, paste it and select redirect. Again click on preview button, go back to the business manager, just click on refresh. Once page load, you can see the entire information about that request. So currently you can see it's just redirecting on a single route, so that's why it's showing to you only single route. If it's any redirect tool will be applied, so it will show you the entire status, whether it's 301, 302, whatever it is. So they show you the entire information. So when it is useful, when business apply any redirection rule to any category, and whenever you try to open it, it will redirect on somewhere else. So that time, if you want to find out like either is a code change or is a BM change, so you can use these tools to analyze that bug. So that will helpful for you. Once you are done with analysis, you just remove that rule, so it will clear all your own dashboard. So that's all about URL request analyzer.